Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lorraine and I am having some fun today playing with my bloom paints. Now what's a bloom paint? You have a couple of different mixtures. You have a house paint that you use as your pillow, and then you have an untinted deep base. This one is from Bear, and then you add 2 parts of that to about 1 part mini wax varnish. And then you add 1 part of paint to 2 parts of your pouring medium. You get a nice consistency that just kind of runs off the stick. It makes a nice mound. It's quite thick. It's thicker than what you would use for a lot of different things. This is a red-brown, it's a copper. This that I showed you is a lake blue, which is kind of a dark turquoise blue. This is a Peacock Pearl by DecoArt. And then I have some of my extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. I love this color. And then an ultramarine. Ultramarine needs to be stirred a little. It's got a lot of bubbles in it. And then I was explaining what a bloom is. Then you have your cell creator, which is an Australian Floetrol in Amsterdam Titanium White. I also have it in with the Australian Floetrol and some Amsterdam, I believe this is an oxide black. I haven't tried yet to put it in with the colors, but I'm going to have to, because that could be quite exciting. Instead of having black or white as your cell creator. So let's get started. I'm going to put down my pillow paint. I want to put enough here so that I know that I'll be able to reach the edges when I tilt. And let's see, what do I want to start with? I think I'll start with the lake blue. Put a puddle in the middle. It's a nice dark blue color. Deep turquoise. I'm just putting it around so that I don't have like a really big blob in the middle. Spreading it out a bit. And we'll get the very center. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with some gold. Sparkle, sparkle. Now, if you're just starting to do fluid acrylic painting, this is a pretty advanced technique. It takes a lot of different ingredients, as I explained, and it takes a bit of practice, and I am still practicing as far as being able to blow the bloom out so that you get the cells that you like. I'll put some of this ultramarine blue in next. Ooh, this came off kind of thick there. I hope it's not too thick. It might be. I think it is. And what you do when that happens is you take some more of your mini wax polyacrylic and you thin it out a bit. You want all your paints, all your colored paints should be about the same consistency. And I've actually found that if your pillow paint is about the same consistency as your colored paints, it works real well. I've heard some people say it should be thicker for the pillow paint, but and then your cell creator should be a little bit thinner than your colored paints. I mixed these up quite a few hours ago. I'm not sure why this one thickened up this much. Try and do this quick because I don't want everything to drip off the board before I'm done. Spreading out. No, don't go away. Okay, we'll try this. Thin it out a little bit. Still quite thick. Okay, and then I want to go in with my copper. Put a little bit of that on the outside edge here. Get a little creative with it. And then I'm going to end with the Peacock Pearl. I kind of like the look when you've got a lighter color on top and it spreads out with the cell creator. It kind of takes on, your cell creator will take on the color of the last paint that you put on it, on the puddle. So instead of just being white, it'll pick up some of this Peacock Pearl. Okay, don't want to get too carried away here. I'm going to get rid of these large bubbles that I see. Another one here. Another one over here. Okay, and then I'm going to use my white cell creator. And I think it was another YouTuber, I think her name's Tammy Anderson, that I heard say that this is like marshmallow fluff. It's like whipping cream just before it starts to thicken up. It's got a really interesting texture to it. And it is. I see exactly what she means because it is kind of like marshmallow fluff. Okay. Seeing a lot of air bubbles in there. I don't know if my torch will do it or not. I'll give it a try. Not a chance. Maybe they'll come out when I blow it over. Okay, gonna take it off camera for a second here. Those colors spread right out, so I might need to put a little more cell creator on there. put some more over here. I want to be able to reach over all of them. Makes me a little dizzy blowing like that. Okay. Okay, let me get my breath back here and we'll let that settle a little bit. Oh, some really pretty lacing in there. Now all of that paint got pushed down when I blew on it, so you need to let it come back up to the surface so that you can move everything at pretty much the same rate. But you can see if your center is going to stick by moving it just a little, and I can see this spot right here is sticking just a little. So we need to give it a moment. I'm going to grab a straw and blow just down in some of this white. Sometimes you can coax some of the colors to come up through. This is so pretty. You can see the ultramarine around in there. It's very, very pretty. Okay, let's see if we can move it yet. Looks like it's doing pretty good. Get my black to unstick from the bottom. Here you go. You can see all the little cells. That copper is coming through absolutely beautifully. And let's see here. Bring it this way a bit. Let that go right down over the edge. And bring it back. I think I could have done a little bit better blowing with this one, but I still have some really gorgeous, gorgeous selling going on, little webbing. Go down to that corner. Give it a little help to go over the corner. Let some of those outside colors go off. And I'll bring it back. I love these colors together. So vibrant. Trying to get it right back to the center. And I'm going to bring it towards this corner. I always rock it back and forth a little bit because then I can see exactly where everything's going. You can keep an eye on where the weight of your paint is. Even though I don't have any webbing coming up in the center, there's some really, really pretty like wispies in there. I'll show you what I mean. If you look right at the center right there, the way the white and the peacock pearl and that lake blue mixed together, it's really pretty. Okay, get the weight of my paint back in the center, so I'm going to bring it down towards this corner and get that covered. Give it just a little bit of help. Right here. Give it something to grab onto. Right over that edge. I'm going to bring it back to straighten out the cells and the lacing. That back centered. Oh, it's so pretty. It's going to be so shimmery when it's dry with that metallic copper and the peacock pearl and gold in there. Just going to give it a look. Right here, I've got some of that copper's breaking up a little bit. So I'm going to tilt that right off. Let me show you what I mean by breaking up a little bit. It's doing, I think you call it crazing, right in that corner. So I'm going to tilt that on down. So I don't have that on my finished composition. Come on, you can do it. Pick up a little bit of white paint right here. Help it pull it down. This is definitely a lesson in patience. Get that back to the center. Such beautiful beachy colors. Yeah, there we go. Let me know what you think. If you have any new colors you'd like me to try, let me know. But this is just so much fun to do. Lacing in there, look at that. It's so pretty. So pretty. Thanks for coming and watching my video, everyone. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, I would like it if you could subscribe. That helps my channel. And if you enjoy my videos, hit the bell and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So, thanks again. Bye.